Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from Revolut to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just switch platforms, this step-by-step process will help you do it securely and efficiently. First off, why bother with this transfer? Robinhood offers unique features like staking rewards and easy trading, while Revolut is great for everyday banking. But before we dive in, make sure you have both accounts verified and some Litecoin in your Revolut wallet. Oh, and always double-check for any 2025 updates on fees or regulations. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and head to the Crypto tab. Locate your Litecoin balance and tap on the Withdraw or Transfer option. It's usually straightforward, but keep an eye out for any prompts about network selection. Litecoin uses the Lieutenant Kernel network, so select that to avoid issues. Step 2. Now, switch to your Robinhood app. Go to your crypto wallet, select Litecoin, and find the deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of characters, so no typos allowed. In 2025, Robinhood might have enhanced security features, like QR codes for easier copying. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Robinhood address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, and review any transaction fees. Expect around 1 to 5% depending on the network. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to approve it via email or two-factor authentication. Step 4. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, based on blockchain congestion. While you wait, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. Finally, once it's complete, check your Robinhood account to ensure your Litecoin has arrived. Pro tip for 2025: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and stay updated on crypto taxes or new rules. That's it. You've successfully moved your Litecoin. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.